friends, welcome back to our channel Open Geology. So as you all know, today's world is full of computer, coding and all of these artificial intelligence. So with that point of view, I am going to tell you about how you can start your coding journey. It doesn't mean whether you are from geology background or from computer science background. In each and every field, there is some sort of importance of coding languages. So I am going to start one of the very basic language, that is Python. So in this video we will see how you can install Python and you can start coding with many different aspects, especially if you are in geology. So we will see about the geological aspect. So what you can do is simply open your browser and search Python. So as you will search, you will come to such an website, that is python.org. So you can click on downloads and here you will get the very latest version. So here it is, Python 3.114. Simply click on that and it is going to be started. It is very small file, so it can be downloaded in few seconds. So click so in the folder. So now I can see it in a folder. Now what you can do is simply double click and you can install it very easily. Simply as you install anything, so you can install. So already I have installed it, so I am not going to install, but you can install it. After that, after the successful installation, what you need to do is go to your search box, that is on the bottom of your screen, and click on the command prompt. As you will click on this command prompt, black screen something like this will appear. So after successful installation of Python, now you need an environment. Environment is a kind of screen where you can write codes. So let us install that environment. So what you can do is just write down py space dash m dash p pip install Jupyter. Okay, and click enter. So it will start installing the Jupyter, that is Jupyter notebook. It is a kind of environment which allows us to do coding. Okay, so some kind of such things will go up. Although I have already installed in my system, so it is writing requirement already satisfied. Once your download is completed, you will encounter to such a condition, that is again C users Gopalji or whatever your name is. So after this successful installation, just write py dash m space notebook. Okay, click enter. Once you click enter, then a new window uh, in any of the browser, you may got it opening in Chrome, opening in Microsoft Edge, Mozilla Firefox or anywhere, you will come to such an screen. Now don't panic by seeing this is screen. What you can do is simply select any location where you want to store your coding files. So now I have, let's see on my background, I have created one folder, that is Python. Okay, this is folder, and whatever coding files I will generate, I will save on this folder. Okay, so this is that folder. It is on desktop screen. So simply just go to here, click on desktop, and you will get your all of the folders. So I am clicking on Python. Just click on this, and these files I have already created. For new file, create on new, that is on the top right corner, new. Click on Python 3 IPY kernel, and simply new tab will open, and you will get a very interesting, very fascinating window. Here you can start coding whatever you want. Okay, so I hope you understand the installation purpose. Simply downloads Python 3.114, whatever is available, then open in the folder. Okay, double click, install, and after installation go to the search box, click on the command prompt. Okay, and in that command prompt what you need to run is pip install Jupyter. Okay, then click on enter. Everything is installed. After the installation what you need to write, pym notebook. Okay, then as you will enter you will encounter through this screen. Then select your file destination, that is on desktop or anywhere. So I have my folder where I am going to store is on desktop python folder, and here I will create one new file. So new python 3 ip. Okay, this is the process. So complete this process. In the next video I will start few basics of coding. So we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.